could we predict the needs of the market? Really? Fortune telling from tea leaves? Is that all you got? Predicting future from fish guts? Yeah, that's disgusting, man!
We know that properly tagging a flights in a system can greatly improve operational efficiency. That's why we've added a feature to automatically apply tag to your flights based on the predefined conditions. That means less time spent on the repetitive tasks for you. An important update for our tech-savvy clients who can edit their own document using the document manager. We've upgraded to a much more advanced editor. You have to check it out. And finally, a small update for our ForeFlight integration. You can now configure the integration with more than one ForeFlight account.